こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 76 of JLPT N4. This is the part 6 of conditional forms. We are going to review all the conditional forms to, tara, ba, nara. At first, to, and we use with dictionary form to or knife form and to. This is used to express natural consequences or inevitable outcomes. If you do this, then this is going to happen without any fail. If this happens, then this is going to happen consequently. Like this, we use this to, so it's going to happen always like this. You can watch my grammar video, JLPT N5, 122, 124, and 125. In these three videos, I explained very in detail about this to. I feel sick when I ride the bus. In this sentence, we use this conditional to. Even we can use other ones, but this to is the best one. To feel sick, 気分が悪い or 気持ちが悪い. On the contrary, if I feel so good, I'm in good mood. 気分がいい、気持ちがいい、バスに乗ると、バスに乗ると気持ちが悪くなります。バスに乗ると気持ちが悪くなります。I get sleepy when I read a book. In this case, this conditional to is the best one because this is the natural consequence that always happens like this. 本を読むと眠くなります。本を読むと眠くなります。If you turn left, there is a flower shop. The best conditional to use in this sentence is also to, because if you go left, if you turn left, there's always this flower shop. Today, yes, but tomorrow, no. It's not like this. Always. So in this way, to is the best. 左に曲がります。曲がる。左に曲がると、花屋があります。左に曲がると花屋があります。Now, the second conditional form, tara, and we use the ta form of the verb, and tara, or nai form of the verb, なかったら. I've just told you tara, but sometimes dara, because some verbs, for example, 読みます。ta form is 読んだ。So it means ta form of the verb, if this is ta or da, and you add ra. So tara or dara. Tara, this is the conditional that you can use the most. Tara is the most versatile condition. Tara can have the meaning of the natural consequence, just like to. So in many occasions, you can substitute this to tara. And tara can also cover the hypothetical condition. It means when we use the sentence with ba, we can also change into tara. And in a conversation, we usually use tara more than ba or to. When using tara, it sounds more personal. I already have 4 videos about tara. This is my grammar video of JLPT N5 from number 130. So from 130 to 133, these 4 videos about tara. I recommend you to watch these videos. If I go to the sea, I'll go fishing. The noun fishing, 釣り. And the verb to fish, 釣りをします。釣りをする。And to go fishing, 釣りに行く。釣りに行きます。 海へ行きます。行きます。行ったら。海へ行ったら、釣りをします。海へ行ったら釣りをします。If it's sunny, I'll climb the mountain. 晴れます。晴れたら山に登ります。晴れたら山に登ります。I will have a rest after swimming for 30 minutes. This condition is about the time after 30 minutes. So in English, in many occasions you translate with after swimming, but you can also say if I swim 30 minutes, then I'll have a rest. 30分泳ぎます。泳いだ。30分泳いだら休みます。30分泳いだら休みます。I'll close the windows when I turn on the air conditioner. Air conditioner for cool air, you can use 3 of them. 冷房、クーラー、エアコン。But only エアコン can be used both for cool and warm air. To turn on the air conditioner, エアコンをつけます。You can write つけます with hiragana, but if you write in kanji, you must use this one, this green one, then this one. エアコンをつけたら、窓を閉めます。エアコンをつけたら窓を閉めます。I wash my hands when I come home. I come home. I return home. 家に帰ります。家に帰ったら手を洗います。家に帰ったら手を洗います。Now let's see the third conditional. ば or れば。ば is used for more hypothetical conditions or even uncertain conditions. ば is suitable for advice or suggestions. Anyway, you can know much better in my video numbers 71 and 72 of JLPT N4. In these 2 grammar videos, I explained about ba or deba. But there's one very important thing. When you want to express the natural sequence of the time, then you can never use this conditional ba. In this case, it's better to use to or tara. If I wash it, it will become clean. Don't cry. 洗濯します。洗濯すればきれいになります。洗濯すればきれいになります。泣きます。泣かないで。洗濯すればきれいになります。泣かないで。洗濯すればきれいになるよ。泣かないでね。In this conditional sentence, you can use both ba or also tara. 洗濯したらきれいになります。泣かないでね。洗濯したらきれいになるよ。泣かないでね。It will get cooler if you turn on the air conditioner. エアコンをつければ涼しくなりますよ。エアコンをつければ涼しくなりますよ。Here you can use also たら。エアコンをつけたら涼しくなりますよ。エアコンをつけたら涼しくなりますよ。エアコンつけたら涼しくなるよ。If you take this medicine, you will feel better. この薬を飲めば元気になりますよ。この薬を飲めば元気になりますよ。Also, you can say this sentence with tara. Tara sounds a little bit more casual. この薬を飲んだら元気になります。この薬を飲んだら元気になりますよ。この薬飲んだら元気になるよ。Now let's see the last conditional form. Nara. Nara is used in the situations where this condition is emphasized or treated as very important. If you want to know more in detail about Nara, then you can watch my grammar video, JLPT N4 grammar videos, number 73, 74, and 75. I will drink coffee if it's a cake. ケーキならばコーヒーを飲みます。ケーキならコーヒーを飲みます。ケーキならばコーヒーを飲みます。In this case, we can also use たら。But in this case, this is the noun. So we use noun だったら。ケーキだったらコーヒーを飲みます。ケーキだったらコーヒーを飲みます。I will drink Japanese tea if it's sushi. You can say both お茶 or 日本茶 for Japanese tea. お寿司ならお寿司ならばお茶を飲みます。お寿司ならお茶を飲みます。Here you can also use たら。So in this case, the noun and だったら。お寿司だったらお茶を飲みます。お寿司だったらお茶を飲みます。Only 1 hour from Osaka to Tokyo if it's a plane. 飛行機なら or 飛行機ならば大阪から東京まで1時間です。飛行機なら大阪から東京まで1時間です。This time also we can use だったら。飛行機だったら大阪から東京まで1時間です。飛行機だったら大阪から東京まで1時間です。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. I want you to choose one of these. と、たら、ば、なら. In some sentences, there are more options, not only one. In this case, you can write the possibilities that you think they might be. Okay? 1番目. If the illness gets cured, you can leave the hospital. In English, you might say also like this. When the illness gets cured with when. When the illness gets cured, you can leave the hospital. The illness, 病気 to get cured. This is intransitive verb. Something が治ります。The verb to leave the hospital. 退院します。If you go straight on the street, there's the station. Straight, directly, まっすぐ This is an adverb. 3番目、最後です。Oh, I'm very sleepy, so I'll get sleep as soon as I get on the plane. At once, right away, immediately, すぐ or すぐに This is also an adverb. I hope you could understand better how to use these 4 types of conditional forms. Anyway, in the next video, the part 7 of conditional videos, I'm gonna continue explaining the differences of these 4 conditional forms. I'm gonna explain you from the other point of view, so it's gonna be interesting. So please don't miss it. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I recommend you to do that so that you will not miss any of my videos. いかがでしたか？今日のこの動画では4つの家庭形、家庭の文、それはと、たら、ば、なら、この4つの違いを見てきました。どんな時にどの家庭法が一番いいか分かっていただけましたか？次の動画でもまたこの4つの違いについて違う観点から見た説明をします。 ですから楽しみにしていてくださいね。家庭形は日常の会話でも本当にたくさん使います。使い方を間違ってしまうと、ちょっとあれ変だなっていうふうに感じてしまいます。この家庭形がちゃんとマスターできたら、もっと会話がスムーズになりますよ。私のチャンネルの中でも家庭法、この家庭を使った文、家庭について説明した動画がたくさんあります。絶対に役に立つと思いますよ。次の動画もこの動画の続きですから見逃さないでね。また次の動画でお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。じゃあね、またね。